What's up, YouTube? You're here because either your bike has been in kickstand mode or tip over mode and your bike won't start. You look in the owner's manual, you can't find things right away, so you come to YouTube. All you have to do is pull the main fuse, plug the main fuse back in, and the bike will start again. So to do that, you're gonna have to remove the left tour pack, and then once you remove the left tour pack, you'll pop open this compartment right here, and the main fuse will be behind a little rubber protectant piece that protects the fuse. You'll pull that off to the side, unplug the fuse, plug it back in. You hear your alarm sound. Don't worry about it, the bike will start. Once the bike starts, there'll be like a little yellow caution thing on the bottom. Just leave the bike on. I rode about 100 or 200 miles with it. Once I got to the next stop, turned the bike on and off, the little yellow caution thing went away. So in a nutshell, pull the fuse and you'll be able to start your bike back.